Eyes front, gentlemen.
Diaz, who invited the spooks?
This is a company op, Anderson. I've agreed to let you take point, as long as you don't fuck things up.
Oh, you mean like I did in Sarajevo?
Just stick to the script this time and we won't have any problems.
3 months ago, a crew of Russian mercs raided a secure biolab in Siberia. They made off with a shitload of weaponized African hemorrhagic fever. Stuff makes the Black Death look like a head cold. This morning, we received confirmation they have a buyer here in the Philippines. Kalalo, Filipino national, shot caller for Abu Sayyaf, which means he's high up on Al-Qaeda's Christmas list. SecDef has designated Kalalo a target of opportunity. Kill on sight.
Do we have an idea on the Russian principal?
Not at this time, but that doesn't change our objectives. This task force will put down all parties at that transaction site and recover that bioweapon. Understood? Good hunting.
This is as far as we go. Keller, you and your men follow the river to the shoreline beneath the radar installation. Me and Anderson will cut off any support that might crash the party. We'll rendezvous there.
Will do. Good hunting.
Что за фигня?
Помогите!
Clear, let's go. Hold. Weapons cold. Contact one soldier. On my mark.
Ready.
Good. The guy in the shed's none the wiser. It's his turn. The hell's he doing? Cole, check your thermal. Go for it. Okay, let's move. Careful.
Got any intel on how secure that radar is?
Scarce. It's been blocking our view quite effectively. That's why we need to take it down. Otherwise, our exfil's gonna turn into Operation Shitstorm once we hit that hotel. I hear something. Stay low. To the right.
Угадай.
Looks like they're alone. Let's sync up. Right one's mine. Get ready. 3, 2.
Яблочко. Завтра
Stop.
я покидаю эту несчастную дыру.
Fuck, that was close. There's too many. We need to dodge them. Move on my go, but keep your head down. Follow me.
Тебе нужно привыкать все время врать.
Кто здесь? Точно, кто-то видел.
They're coming this way. Stay still.
Недавно я получил сообщение по рации. Где-то у нас работает снайпер.
От кого информация?
Информация лично от кучки трупов с дырками от пуль. Кажется, работает снайпер и штурмовая группа.
Думаешь, они движутся сюда?
Это сказал американец. Он что-то знает, но нам не говорит.
You hear that? What American are they talking about?
I haven't the faintest idea, but let's worry about that later. We've got bigger fish to fry. Okay, let's move.
Поддержку
Careful.
Скорее всего, нет. Босс отдал какой-то новый приказ, и теперь все носятся, как ужаленные. Что-то явно происходит.
Передаю приказ.
Голову не высовывать. Видите или слышите что-то подозрительное, сразу сообщайте. Передайте остальным. Проверки каждые 10 минут. Никаких
Engine, get down. Let them pass.
Ага. Ты вообще в ад служил?
Нет.
Нас подразделение ненадолго отправили в Дrakyyy. Да, это было приятно.
Anderson, follow my lead. Stay low. Get the nearest one. Leave the other to me. Let's have a look. Multiples around that central strip of land. We gotta play this out carefully. Stand by. I'll call out your shots.
Ready.
Heads up. Tango advancing in our direction. Take the... Belay that. Boats in our vicinity. No shot.
God damn it.
Yeah, I know. Let's wait him out.
Что случилось? Почему ты тут остановился?
Чертов двигатель заглох. Ржавый ненужный кусок дерьма.
Может, бензин кончился? Подожди-ка. Пойду посмотрю, может, в кузове есть.
Shit, stay calm. Don't shoot yet.
Эй, стой! Заработал!
Что? Все равно надо проверить. Садись поудобнее.
That was close. Boat's clear. Shoot his brains out before he gets back. Okay, guy on the pier's alone. Weapons free. Stop. One Tango by the campfire's mobile. Let's see where he's off to. Clear. Take the shot. On the left. Let's take him. Same time. Good work. Come on. Razor 3-1. Give me a sit rep.
This is 3-1. Encountering minimum resistance throughout the West River Bank. Our ETA at the rendezvous is on target, over.
Copy that 3-1. Steady as she goes, Keller.
Hoorah! Stay low.
Stop. Those two on the ledge won't let us slip by unnoticed. Target the Tango on the right. I'll eliminate the other. Follow me. Hold your fire. Let's wait. Under the pier. Stay low. Keep
Ты
close.
работаешь со своим скупщиком. Парнем из Сингапура.
Ну да, только что сбагрил ему партию часов. Роликс.
Поможешь с ним связаться? У меня набралось приличных драгоценностей.
Okay, let's move. Careful.
В основном золото. Но есть парочку камней. И еще часы.
Конечно же, я вас слежу. Даешь мне половину и дело в шляпе.
Turn left.
Очень смешно.
Я серьезно.
Ты хочешь половину только за то, что нас свяжет? Твою мать, ты серьезно?
Эй, придурок!
I hear something.
Вокруг! Ты на чертовом вонючем
Боже мой,
острове!
ты
и
похож
тут
на
некому
зомби.
сбывать
В зеркало
вещи.
смотрелся?
Хочешь сбыть свои драгоценности, работай через меня. А я
Это
беру
нормально?
половину.
Я двое суток не
Когда ты
спал.
превратился в
что
такого
случилось?
Okay, let's
жестокого
move.
ублюдка?
Careful.
Не случилось.
За
Заменял
меня
этого
ответ,
ленивого
да?
засранца, Дмитрия.
Нет,
Его уже
ты
2
меня
дня
понял,
в лазарете
придурок?
держат.
Нет!
А я знаю, что ты
Неудивительно.
Что ты имеешь в виду?
Enemy forward. Take him out quietly.
Он никогда раньше
Roger.
в джунглях не бывал. И в первый же день его укусили. Так не говори.
Мать твою. Насколько все плохо?
Доктора говорят, ногу, наверное, придется отрезать. Но это все равно, что помереть. Так что он решил ничего не трогать и посмотреть. Может, само пройдет. Да ладно, мы же не в армии, полет не держим.
The hell is that?
Civilian sports plane, very old design. Looks unstable. Think it's safe to set up?
I don't think we have a choice. Damn thing's blocking our view.
After you. Oh shit! Let's finish this quick and pack up. Let's have a look. Weapons cold for now. This ain't gonna be easy.
It never is.
Camp's right side is a no-go. Too much exposure in the water, we get shredded to pieces. Left, however, is a different story. I think we can thin them out if we play our cards right. Shoot on my command, we need to be very precise here.
Deal 'em.
First things first, check the two on the sandbank fixing the boat. Take out the one by the engine first. Now tag the second one. Sniper in the highest house, he's #1 priority. Eyes on left side. One guy's circling that building like a vulture. Wait till he ducks behind the left wall. Two soldiers idling about the house. See him?
I see him.
Shoot that radio in the knee.
Think we just wore out our welcome!
God damn it, hold on to something!
Jesus!
Come on, we need to disappear. They're gonna investigate. Leave it alone. We need to stay hidden.
Этот старый кусок металлолома наконец упал с утеса. В квадрате чисто.
Come on.
Two hostiles lined up favorably for a double kill.
Я
Be
что-то
discreet.
слышал. Я точно что-то видел. Что это было?
Good shooting. Okay, let's move. Careful. We'll need a diversion to break through to the beach. Let's plant C4 in the house. The distraction should make a gap in their defenses.
Roger. Okay, charges are set.
Okay, let's move. We'll blow the charges when we got some distance. Hold. Go. Through here.
Эй, смотри в оба.
Я и так смотрю.
Не пари мне чушь. Ты слышал, что они сказали? Про то, что там снайпер.
Нет, я стою вторую смену подряд. А еще у нас строгий порядок переговоров. Какой еще снайпер?
Похоже, тут целое подразделение противника. Некоторые посты не отвечают. Раскрой свои чертовы
Hold.
глаза пошире и держи руку на спуске. Понял меня?
Я что-то слышал.
Хорошо. Нужно подготовиться к встрече с противником. Я
Go.
ищут настоящих профи. Отлично проинформированных и вооруженных.
Думаешь, сделка босса сорвется?
Blow the C4, Cole.
Может, покупатель испугался?
Нет.
Сам по себе он взорваться не мог.
Вот и тут встал. Туши огонь.
Let them
Твою
pass.
мать, у меня там заначка была.
It worked. Let's move it. Into the water, quick!
Ты еще работаешь со своим спутником? Парнем из Сингапура.
Ну да, ну что впадрил ему Что это был за...
Distant. Yeah. These ruins should cross to the jungle. That is a straight shot to the Overwatch.
Обыщите местность.
Hold it.
За мной!
Hold your fire. Let's wait.
Не стой! Вперед!
Clear. Take the shot. Clear. Go. Contact.
Работаешь
Let's
со
take them
своим
same time.
спутником? С парнем из Сингапура.
Ну да, только что впадрил ему партию часов.
Tango's down. Advancing. Go, go, go! Clear. Let's go. On the ground, stay low. Multiple tangos beneath us. We need to shift their attention before moving.
I got eyes on the truck's fuel tank. Should cause quite a racket.
Go for it. We're good to go. Don't engage them. They're playing into our hands.
Copy that.
Take the shot. Good kill. On the move. Sniper at the bell tower in the distance. He's got a good view. We need to get rid of him.
Position status.
Uniform, our backs are secure. Enemy forces are neutralized or preoccupied. Proceeding to rendezvous.
Solid copy.
Okay, Cole, this is my stop. I'll back up Keller and his men. You secure a good position on the church's bell tower. Good luck.
And to you.
Enemy boat inbound. Dive! Stay submerged. Let it pass. I'm in position at the west side of the train yard. Anderson, what's your ETA?
I'm topside, heading for the church entrance now. Reach the church, proceeding to the bell tower.
Okay. Won't hurt to swing a couple of Hail Marys our way while you're at it. That radar site seems to be heavily guarded.
I'll see what I can do. Anderson out. In position, set with a 50 cal. What's the game plan here?
This is Keller. I'll take point on this one. 3-2. Do you have visual on your position?
Roger, I see you.
Cover our advance up the hill. Cortez and Nichols, you're on me. Diaz, you're on lookout. Rest of you, secure this position for extraction.
Anderson, keep our backs safe.
Roger, I'll try and save your boys some targets.
We got a hostile on the pier ahead of us. Weapons cold. Hold your fire. Let's wait.
Support, we're behind the pier. Shoot the hostile on patrol. We'll catch the body. Package secure.
Anderson, hostiles by the first hut on the shore. Don't engage them yet. Let's wait them out. Place your shots when their backs are turned to each other. We need to maintain concealment as long as possible. Nice shot. Tag the other one. Looking good. Keep it nice and quiet. Hostile to your left on the balcony.
radio. Anderson, status.
Clear to proceed.
Affirmative. Diaz, you're on lookout. The bay has been secured, moving to next checkpoint. Eyes all around your heads, people. Contact. Sniper in the tower. Bring him down before he spots the bodies on the pier.
The hell?
Enemy chopper! Ceasefire! Ceasefire! Anderson, you need to sit this one out. We're in a bad way if he spots us.
Acknowledged.
I said ceasefire, goddammit! Just a little longer. Saw you, get out of the tower now! Shit! Hostiles on R6! Get them! Enemy reinforcements! More enemy units inbound! Uniform! We got a lot of heat down here! Assault units, move back! Enemy helo got Anderson. We're pulling out.
In position, set with a 50 cal. What's the game plan here?
This is Keller. I'll take point on this one. 3-2. Do you have visual on your position?
Roger, I see you.
Cover our advance up the hill. Cortez and Nichols, you're on me. Diaz, you're on lookout. Rest of you, secure this position for extraction. Anderson, keep our backs safe.
Roger, I'll try and save your boys some targets.
We got a hostile on the pier ahead of us. Weapons cold. Hold your fire. Let's wait. Support, we're behind the pier. Shoot the hostile on patrol. We'll catch the body. Package secure. Anderson, hostiles by the first hut on the shore. Don't engage them yet. Let's wait them out. Place your shots when their backs are turned to each other. We need to maintain concealment as long as possible. Send it. Take him out quietly. Nice shot. Tag the other one. Looking good. Keep it nice and quiet. Hostile to your left on the balcony. Anderson, status.
Clear to proceed.
Affirmative. Diaz, you're on lookout. The bay has been secured, moving to next checkpoint. Eyes all around your heads, people. Contact. Sniper in the tower. Bring him down before he spots the bodies on the pier.
The hell?
Enemy chopper! Ceasefire! Ceasefire! Anderson, you need to sit this one out. We're in a bad way if he spots us.
Acknowledged.
Let him go. Don't make a move on that damn tower. Just a little longer. Clear. Take the shot. Send it. Take the shot.
Tango down.
3 marks on the platform. We need to synchronize. Engaging. Nice work.
Area cleared.
Someone's coming. Hide. advised, I have no visual on your 6 behind the buildings. Roger that. Ready to link up. Over. Cole, I'm heading to them. Keep me covered.
Diaz, I got 2 tangos in your AO. First on the platform closer to you, second on the footbridge. That one's mine.
Got it. Something got his attention. Take him down quick.
You're clear.
Got it. 3 mobiles ahead. Hold off for now. Let's see what they do. Let's have a look. Weapons cold for now. Looks like they're having a chit-chat. Cut it off. Engaging. Okay, we're clear. Almost in position here. We need to clear out the rest of those hostiles. Targets blocking my route. Start picking them off when the patrolling sentry's back is turned.
Roger.
Черт, кто вы такие? Damn. Thanks, man. Owe you a beer.
Hey, I'm gonna hold you to that.
I've linked up with our boys. We're getting ready to assault the radar. How copy?
Solid copy. I got your 6.
Engaging. Suppress those fuckers! That's it! Line them up!
Uploading our virus into their system shouldn't be a problem. Intel suggests most of the gear is post-Soviet in origin.
Roger. Target reached. Uploading the virus now. And done. Now this thing won't even pick up a meteor collision. Hold up. We have something here. Think you want to hear this?
Что будешь делать со шпионом?
Конечно, его нужно допросить, идиот. Отведи его в комнату босса рядом с вертолетной площадкой. С ним ничего не должно случиться, понял?
Да, сэр. Но я готов спорить. Если он попадет к телохранителю босса, то ему придется опять отмывать стены.
We need to relay this data to JSON. We'll keep you posted. Anderson, go ahead and continue towards the transaction site. 3-1 will clean up any stragglers and catch up via boat.